Welcome to the Eco-Citizen School. Our school gives you the tools to become a resilient eco-change maker. Throughout our courses, you'll build practical skills to adjust to ecological changes on our planet and emotional skills to sustain your engagement. I'm Christelle, and I'm a Swiss environmental educator specialized in botany, environmental science, and sustainability.
And I'm Cristina, a Peruvian eco-entrepreneur passionate about fermentation and crafting through creative reuse.
Alongside thousands of other students in our international sustainable living community, you'll learn essential self-sufficiency skills like foraging wild plants, preparing herbal remedies, making your own DIY products for body care and for cleaning, and growing your own food. Our 250-hour program includes 9 video courses with 9 accompanying workbooks and review questions to make sure you're absorbing the information optimally.
When you join our school, you gain lifetime access to our program, including all course updates. We're also here to support you through our community forum.
Each course covers a different environmental topic to deepen your commitment to sustainable living. The very first course is Intro to Low-Waste Living, which covers the basics of minimizing waste by reducing consumption. You'll go on virtual recycling facility tours and learn about various composting methods from industrial composting to DIY worm bins.
The second course is about zero-waste body care and cosmetics. You will get to make loads of DIY products with eco-friendly, safe, and local-to-you ingredients like moisturizer, deodorants, lip balms, and face masks. There are recipes for body care, skincare, hair care, and dental care.
The next course is about growing sprouts and microgreens at home. You'll learn all about the health benefits of these nutrient-packed plants and the detailed step-by-step process for growing them indoors.
The following course is about green cleaning minus the Greenwashing B.S. It's about how to make your own safe cleaning products to clean your home and how to select safe ingredients instead of toxic ones, often found in conventional products.
The next course is our largest course on foraging edible and medicinal plants. It's designed for you to become independent in your foraging. You'll learn about over 25 common plants growing in both Eurasia and North America, botany and chemistry basics, how to identify and harvest wild plants safely and ethically, what their medicinal properties are, how to make wild dishes like foraged pestos, tabboulehs, fritters, wild spice lattes, or tofu scrambles. You'll even learn how to craft with plants, like how to naturally dye fibers with flowers. The following course is all about herbal remedies and can be done with or without foraging skills. You'll learn how to make your own tinctures, infusions and decoctions, syrups, lozenges, steams, salves, poultices, compresses, and more. We'll be focusing on remedies that help common ailments like colds, coughs, skin problems, anxiety, trouble sleeping, and pain.
The seventh course is all about secondhand living, how to value existing resources by finding pre-loved clothing, furniture, electronics, cars, bikes, and so forth. It covers repairing, repurposing, swapping, and how to avoid mistakes like buying infested furniture or recalled heat stores.
The next course topic is zero waste menstruation. It gets into the ecological and health concerns associated to single-use pads and tampons and introduces alternatives like cloth pads, period underwear, menstrual cups, compostable tampons, and the little-known free flow instinct. And the final course is about the many forms of environmental activism. It covers personal lifestyle changes like greening your home, your habits, your diet, and where you're banking. It details various tactics and activist campaigns like political expression versus political action, civil disobedience, or influencing businesses.
And we have other courses in the works too, so you can continue expanding your skills. The next ones to be released will be our fermentation course, our composting course, and our course on reducing food waste.
With lifetime access to this library of video resources and access to us and other students in the forum, you'll be able to keep stepping up for the planet in a way that feels joyful.
We'd love to welcome you to our Eco-Citizen School.
We can't wait to meet you.